how to upload long video on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload long videos on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the option labeled as what's on your mind at the top. And now here, once you're inside the section, just tap on the option labeled as gallery. And here, once you see the interface like this, here you simply can scroll down and choose the long video that you want to upload from your gallery. And now here, once you're done selecting the video, then you can simply tap on next. And now here on the next section, you can write a caption, you can tag friends if you want, you can add location, you can add feeling as well, and once ready, you can just tap on post. So here is the thing. Facebook allows videos up to 240 minutes, which is of 4 hours long. So the maximum file size it can contain is 10 GB. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.